We have some really special guests with us this morning. Erica and Maya Skinner, known as the Birdie Sisters, golfers since they were the age of 4. These young athletes haven't looked back since, competing in local, state, national, and even international junior golf tournaments. And they are with us here in Studio 5 this morning to talk about all their great adventures on the golf course. You know, everyone talks about the Williams sisters, but in our own backyard, we have you guys. This must be really wonderful for you to have gone to so many places. Yeah. So now tell me, Erica, you're 13, Maya, you're 11, right?
Yeah.
You guys started at 4 years old. How did this start?
Well, my dad started me when I was 4 because he wanted me to play a sport that normal people wouldn't usually play. And when I started, they saw that I have a lot of talent. So we just kept going, and we brought Maya into the game 2 years later.
And now you guys have won the state championships as well here. That's pretty great. I mean, look at the big smile that you have. How recent was that?
I think it was a couple months ago. I think it was in August. And that was my lowest score ever, which was a 74.
Whoa!
In 18 holes.
A lot of guys are going to be envious of you. 74, that's terrific.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now, I mean, this is just amazing. I mean, you guys are not playing just local courses. If I have this right, you've played at all the big ones, where all the pros play. Cog Hill, Pinehurst, Torrey Pines, and San Diego. To be on these amazing golf courses and travel, what's that like for you?
Well, it's really fun to go to all the hotels and, but the golf courses are they're so beautiful. They're so well taken care of, and the golf course is just pretty. And it's fun to play challenging courses, so it's really fun to go out of town and play on really well taken care of courses.
Yeah. Now, I know you guys are nicknamed the Birdie Sisters, but wait, you're also black belts in Taekwondo?
Yes.
What do you get, 3.5 and 4.0 grade point averages? How do you juggle it all?
There's just a lot of organization, and not a lot of stuff pops up because our parents usually have it pretty organized for us, and I think that's pretty much the key.
Now, how many trophies do you have between you?
Probably 100.
100 trophies?
Yeah.
What's your favorite one that you want to boast about?
It was probably my first Pepsi Little People's Tournament. It was my first national tournament when I was little. So when I played second for the first time, I think it was 2 years ago, it really meant a lot to me.